Paano nasusukat ang quality?
Dapat mas malaki.
Dapat sariwa.
Dapat hindi sobra sa chemical. Dapat walang damage. Hindi lang yung bunga, pati na rin ang environment.
Huwag magpapadala sa nakikita lang ng iyong mga mata dahil hindi lahat ng makinis ay malinis. Dahil ang iba sobra sa kemikal para magbaging perpekto sa mata. Ang tunay na masustansyang pagkain ay nagmumula sa malusog at buhay na lupa.
What is food security and sustainable agriculture, and why is it a pressing challenge?
Food security and sustainable agriculture means ensuring everyone has enough safe, nutritious, and affordable food today without destroying the environment for the future generations.
However, challenges like poverty and inflation
Food is often available, but high prices and low wages means vulnerable families cannot afford to buy nutritious foods.
Nandito po tayo sa Mapandan, Pangasinan at kasama po natin si Mang Ernesto. Mang Ernesto, sa hirap ng buhay ngayon, ilang beses po ba kayong nakakakain sa isang araw?
Minsan, 3 beses kaming kumakain sa isang araw. Depende po sa makukuha namin bayad kada araw. Kasi minsan po, 2 beses lang po kami kain sa isang araw. Kapag almusal at gabi lang po kami. Kasi minsan, medyo nasa-short kami sa budget at kailangan po namin magsakripisyo para sa mga iba po pong bayarin.
Climate change.
Ito ang dahilan ng pagkakaroon ng mga bagyo na sumisira sa mga pananim, lupa at ari-arian.
Climate change is one of the biggest threats. Rising temperature, droughts, flood that reduces crop yields and disrupt food supply chain. Economic inequality also plays a huge role. Many Filipino families cannot afford nutritious food, leading to malnutrition and health issues.
In the Philippines, food security and sustainable agriculture is a growing concern. Farmers face challenges like limited access to resources, extreme weather events, and lack access to modern technology.
So ngayon, andito tayo sa Sakahat sa Mapandan, Pangasinan at kasama natin si Ma'am Jacqueline. So Ma'am Jacqueline, paano po nyo napaparaos at ang pag-aani kahit na sobrang taas na ng presyo ng mga bili?
Kasi, talagang sobrang hirap talaga dahil sa pagtaas ng mga bilihin. Pero kinakaya pa rin namin dahil, yun nga, sa mga pagdaan ng mga naging sakahan, may naipon-ipon naman kami mga bini para magsimula ulit.
So thank you po Ma'am Jacqueline.
Urbanization is another issue.
As cities grow, agricultural land is lost and local production declines.
Despite these challenges, projects like community gardening and sustainable farming practices are offering hope.
What can we do to improve food security and sustainable agriculture?
We stop fighting nature and start working with it. By healing the soil, conserving our water, and valuing every single grain of food on our plates, we take the future into our own hands. The solution doesn't start in a lab. It starts in the dirt and on our dinner tables.
We can all play a part by reducing food waste, supporting local farmers, and spreading awareness about these critical issues.
Together, we can build a future
Where no one goes hungry.